That little birdie right there, okay, he went in the tree. He was right here, went to the roof, then went to there. Damn. Okay, so the bird's got a message for somebody. You hear that? Somebody could have been hiding the fact that they were gathering and talking with other people or something secretly. Because it was so weird, because it was just standing right there. Then as soon as they see me, it went up to the top. Then they were then he went over here, looked at the tree, and then all of a sudden they started talking. So something about the window. Woo! Whoa! What the hell? Did I just saw like a okay, so that was a very spiritual experience right there. Holy shit. Sorry. Forgive me. Okay, so when you get to a certain level of blah, you'll see like things in your peripheral, creatures, whatever. Spirits, bird, da. I just seen like something in my peripheral. Like crazy. Ooh. That's so nuts. Oh, 7-9. 7-9. Yeah. Woo. Like, I'm telling you, my gifts before, at first, like, I was really freaked out. Like, with some things, like, the more and more it got stronger, I started getting freaked out. I'm like, all right. I just asked, like, not to show me, like, any, like, what is it, apparitions or any, like, spirits showing up like that. Show up in different ways, like, because it scares me. Yeah. So, birds. That's Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel. Archangel Michael, though. That has to do with the cops and, you know. My name means defender of mankind. So, I guess that's why I'm protected by Archangel Michael so strongly. Defender of mankind.